So this is men and women's Nutrafol. It's just a very basic, well, we're going to open these up. The reason I'm doing this is because when you're looking at things on the internet, you really don't know what color it is, what it looks like, the scale. Maybe you have trouble swallowing pills and you're curious and concerned that maybe you may not be able to get all 4 pills down each day. 4 pills is a single serving. So I'm going to start with, this is mine. So here's the women's. So there is the women's. That is the color. It does have a little bit of a yellow color because it does have turmeric in it, along with black pepper. So you're going to definitely see it. Don't let these open up. Turmeric will stain fabric. It's a natural pigment. And this is the men's. Again, it's not a, I can only see that the most negligible difference. This does look a little bit more saturated in the yellow. I don't know if it's a higher concentration because men's bodies tend to have a larger mass. I don't know, but either way, the men and the women's. And in the scale, you can see that scale to my hand, and I've got a medium-sized woman's hand. This is the size, this is a single serving. And you know for a fact it's a single serving because it says so right there. I have not found any of these having any trouble. Neither has my husband, but we're pretty good pill takers. And you're not going to really see much of a discernment and a difference between the men and the women's. It's the same. But again, you can tell that it's a little bit different in its concentration, and I'm sure that's because of body mass, body size. Now, my husband and I were discussing this. He wondered if there was a difference, and I assured him there was absolutely a difference in ingredients. And here is the proof, and I'll be writing more about this. But if you just compare side to side, there are some commonalities. That is about the same. But once you get to the synergen complex that has been formulated for men and women, they are distinctly different. And this is a good thing. So that's essentially it. I have the really nice boxes, but my overzealous husband recycled them. So next time I do this, I'll show you the boxes. They're quite impressive, and they can be repurposed, but the packaging is very effective. It protects it, and it's good for any kind of packing if you're going to be going on, holiday or something. Okay, we'll go from there. See you back soon.